Hey everyone! Welcome back to AnHome channel, your go-to place for all things social media. Today, we're diving into a quick privacy tip that'll help you browse Instagram incognito. That's right, we're showing you how to turn off your active status. So, if you want to scroll in peace without anyone knowing, keep watching. Let's jump right in. Follow these simple steps to turn off your active status on Instagram. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Step 2. Tap the three-line menu at the top right. Step 3. In the pop-up menu, tap Settings. Step 4. Tap Messages and Story Replies. Step 5. In the Interactions section, tap Show Activity Status. Step 6. Turn off Show Activity Status by swiping the button to the left, and that's it. You're now free to roam Instagram without leaving a digital footprint of your active status. Remember, your privacy is in your hands, so take control of it.